Viewer discretion is advised.
Oh my god, this is Surfing Bird by the Trackman. This is the first song of all time. I want a bad baby. Baby, you win. I want a bad baby. Baby, win. I want a bad baby. Baby, you win. I want a bad baby. Baby, you win. I want a bad baby. Baby, you win. Don't you know how to do it? You everybody knows that the bird is the word. I want a bad baby. Hey, house behind the bird. The bird is the word. Elephant bird. The bird is the word. Ready the woman. The bird is the word. Hey, don't you know about the word? Sure, everybody knows that the bird is the word. I want a bear, you, but I want a bear. Okay. Hey, what's the big idea?
Song from the 1960s. It shouldn't be in this jukebox.
Bro, can I have that record? I love that song. I'll let you have sex with my daughter.
No. Let's see what your daughter looks like.
She's
right there.
right there.
Okay, I'll do it. But can you tell her to cry and beg me to stop?
I think that could be arranged. Griffin, would you give that song a rest? You've been playing that ever since you got home. No way, girl. This is my new favorite record in the world. Girl, I'm gonna ask you this only once. Do you or do you not know about the bird? Oh, God. I know that the bird is still weird. You win. I want a baby. I want a bird. Oh, sorry. Look, just go to sleep, alright? Griffin, I have enough in the morning. Brian, can I see that paper for a second? That's odd. I thought I would be big news. You thought what would be big news?
Seems to be an answer to a certain ornithological piece.
A headline regarding Mexican here with certain avian variety. What are you talking about? Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that I have heard. What? Brian, don't. I want a bad. I want a bad. I want a bad. Don't you know about the word? Hey, Griffin's gonna tell you about the bird. The bird you win. I want a bad. Oh my God, Griffin, are you alright? Griffin, I was just at the bank and they have said having dollar savings. That was almost everything we have. What was it for? Hey, it was for the local TV line, girl, and I had silver with very important. Thank you. Hello there, I'm Griffin. You know there's an issue here that I know that's certain. According to Gallup report, 1 in 12 of this is unaware that the bird is the word. After one sleep about it, the bird is the word. I want a bad. You word. I want a bad. You word. I want a bad. Oh, Jesus Christ. Brian, I don't even feel good. Alright, that's it. We gotta destroy that record, okay? We are going to destroy it, will it? Nighttime will be with. Don't you know about the bird? Everybody knows that the bird is the word.